Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to show you how you can speed up your outstanding payment collection process, reduce your bad debt and collect your dues 3x faster with the help of Biz Analyst Coins and AutoReminders. So, let's understand how you can access your BizA Coins and wallet. Open the top left menu on your dashboard screen and click on the wallet option. Here you can see your wallet balance, your transactions and 3 coin packs to buy. To get our new subscribers, renewed subscribers and trial users started, we've added 300 free coins in their wallets. Once you've confirmed that you have sufficient balance, let's set some auto-reminders for your parties. First, visit the Outstanding tab and select the ledgers you want to set reminders for. Choose your preferred mode and frequency, and your auto-reminders have been scheduled. Now remind your parties on time and collect your outstanding payments 3x faster with Biz Analyst Coins and Auto-Reminders.